Hi, my name is James Henshaw. This is going to be my define a process speech. I'm going to use the slope of a line. I'm going to explain to you how it works. I'm going to show you how to get it into a slope-intercept form. If they give you 2 points, how to find the slope. If they give you 1 point in the slope, I'm going to show you how to figure out the other line. We'll walk through it. So to get us started, let's go to the slide here. As you can see, this is in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, where m equals the slope and b equals where the line will cross on the y-axis. Okay, so to get this, say this is 5, the m is a 5, your slope is up 5 over 1. All right, and then to figure out where it crosses the y-intercept, you want to sub in 0 for x. So 5 times 0 is 0, so y equals 15. So it'll be 0, 15 is your point, or 0b, whatever this is. Okay, that's how you start. That's how you start it. This next one is the point slope form. This is if they give you 1 point, which is the 227 here, and they give you the slope, which is going to be 25, and they want you to figure out, well, what's the slope intercept formula? What's the, for the line? How do you get to that point? What you're going to do is you have your formula is y minus y1 equals m, which is the slope, times x minus x1, where x1 and y1 are your coordinates they gave you. So when you sub these in, as you can see, you get y minus 27 equals 25 times x minus 2. And what you want to do is you want to multiply this out. So you'll get y minus 27 equals 25x minus 50. Then what you want to do is you want to move this to this side to where y is by itself. To do that, you have to change signs to change sides. So you'll add 27 here, that'll mark that out. You'll take 50 plus negative 50 plus 27 equals negative 23. So then your formula becomes y equals 25x minus 23, where 0, 23 is where it crosses the y-axis. 25 over 1 is your slope. All right, and that'll give you those 2 points. All right, let's move on to our next slide. This formula is in case they give you 2 points and they want to know, well, what's the slope of your line with the 2 points. So what you want to do is, as you see, it shows rise over run. Rise means you go up, run you go left or, well, rise is up or down, and run is left or right. So you want to take your points here, and you'll take your y2 minus your y1 over your x2 minus your x1. Okay, that will tell you what's going to be your slope if it asks you to find the slope of this points. Okay, here, as you can see, you have the 2 points. This is another way to figure out what the slope is. You can take and graph this if you want to, and then you can count it off the squares to see what your slope is. This is your y-axis here. The up and down is your y-axis. The left and right is your axis. If the point is 3, 2, the first number is your x, the second number is your y. So you want to come 3 over on the x, and then go up 2 on the y, and here's your point at 3, 2. This here is going to be at 7 on your x and 8 on your y. So to figure out what your slope is on this, you could either use this formula and plug it in, or you can just, like I said, it's already graphed, so you can just count the squares. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll go up 6, and then it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 over 4, which will reduce to 3 over 2. If you count, you go 1, 2, 3, up, and then 2 over, 1, 2. You can see where it crosses at the 5, 5 point. That is the process of slope-intercept form, how you figure out what your other points are in the slope. Thank you so much for tuning in.